Good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Subhan. I'm the assistant engineer.
Okay, so we have installed this ionizer in this room for 1 week, right?
1424, yeah.
1424 for 1 week. Before that was very moldy and musky smell. How about now? What is the result?
Now when I come in just shortly ago, I think the musty smell is not there. A little bit of Ioniser smell. It's much better than previously before the installation.
Okay, thank
We
you.
hope that over time you will improve it further.
Okay, thank you so much. How long has this room been out of commission?
I think probably almost a month, I believe.
More than a month,
About that, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.